sitting back relaxing, huh? And he's building the blind. He's cutting the pieces to make the blinds, right? Is that for this right here or for another location?
Yeah.
That's for here?
Yes.
He's cutting those pieces to go here?
Yeah, for the
Oh, okay.
it's already 1 week more. It's already finished.
Oh,
it's
yeah?
done.
So you got most of your
so that
construction
you can
done.
go, so that we can go over there.
Okay.
And we got a big news and all the details like that, so that we can promote our work.
Just the other day, somebody asked me about how long the bamboo lasts and what it costs, and I sent them on to your Facebook. I always send people to your Facebook.
Yeah.
So when you see strangers on your Facebook, a lot of times they come from my
And
link.
Facebook and YouTube is already over there. That's it. Here it is. So it's good for me. It's very big opportunity for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big. Well, it's big to help for us. You send videos and YouTube. So many people can watch me and they are enjoying to watch me, so that they can call me to you want to work for the house like that.
Right.
So we have many projects that I've done for the past months.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you're keeping very busy
so
now. Huh?
Still I'm working and outside, always outside the city, province, and other like Bisaya.
Yeah.
Bisaya. So I'm very thankful. Thank you, Mr. Yeah.
Thank you for all the videos.
Yeah.
And we got some more coming up. I quit putting videos up for a long time. Now I'm putting videos up again. Yeah. I'm actually catching up on some of the things that...
So now my daughter, my older daughter, she studied at architectural drafting now. So I want to be she is become a civil engineer someday.
Oh, what?
Civil engineer.
Oh, yeah? Well,
So-
good.
So my daughter, she is the only, she's the want to do this long plan like
Well,
last night.
good.
So she helped us, my daughter.
That's nice. I know. Remember what I told you? I said your daughter wants to get in your business. You got to get in your business. And you want her to be a girl. And I said, don't worry about girl stuff. Let her do something where she can make a decent living.
So
And over here, that makes a
my
difference.
daughter, she support me. So now he started an AutoCAD now. He already graduate, like it's coming March 10. She is already graduate in AutoCAD.
You do AutoCAD. Great. That is really, really good.
So she can help me for like the not only the manual drawing, so we can draw in computer.
Give the actual
So
specs to
we can
it. Yeah.
I can send to my customer and 3D like that 3D.
Yeah.
So in computer. So maybe I can graduate now for the manual drawing.
All right. That is really, really neat. Really neat. I love it.
So much.
I love it. I told you your daughter's going to get in your business.
Yeah.
Remember I told you that? And you said, oh, I wanted her to go to school for this, for another thing. That's not man work. And I said, no, there's no man work. That's
All
good for
your
her.
advice. Thank you.
Thank
Your
you.
advice.
Thank you.
I got it.
Well, that's so neat to me. That's so neat that she's doing AutoCAD and doing your graphics. And that's fantastic. I love it. Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you, my friend.